The learning teams are aligned with the human and organisational performance principles and sit really well within our 7 safety fundamentals. What it's been predominantly is generally in response to maybe a serious incident, or a business unit's identified a spate of incidents that they want to understand better and learn from. So what we do from a learning team's perspective is identify about up to 7 people who perform the work that we're talking about. So basically it's a case of getting all those people into a room together, and we as facilitators, our goal is to create a psychologically safe space where people can be open and honest about the work they perform.
We've relied on the management team to solve the problems of the workers. I think this approach really gets the people who do the work involved in solving the problems themselves. I've participated in 5 learning teams. Nicole's been in each one as the lead facilitator, so I've pretty much got my learners on, really.
We then come back maybe a day or 2 days later for a second session where we focus on identifying where our opportunities for improvement are.
Nicole's really been driving this process in our team. She's really got a massive investment into the process.
Probably the best example so far is someone walking in, sitting down, crossing their arms, back in the chair, not having a bar of it. And then by the end of it, they're leaning forward on the desk, really wanting to tell us everything that they knew about what they did.
People want to make their job as efficient as possible, and we just need to understand how we can help them do that through listening. And that's really what it's all about, just listening what people have got to say, listen about the issues they face when they're doing their tasks every day, and being able to help facilitate some change that they want.
And when they realise that you're there to listen and learn from what they're doing, they feel a sense of value. Seeing that change in people, that shift, that's pretty cool.